Doc Edith was more than a professor to many of us in the doctorate classes at the West Visayas State U College of Education Graduate School. She was our advisor, our mentor, our friend, our encourager, and she was the calm presence during some of the hardest years in our lives as scholars of DOST, SEI, and PhD in science education with specialization in math. As former VP for Academic Affairs and Dean of the College of Education, arguably the best education school in the Philippines, she carried impressive titles with quiet grace. At 77, she remained elegant, charming, and deeply approachable. I will never forget her simplicity, really. No? Years before she became my learning theories teacher or professor, I met her during a parent teacher conference while I was teaching physics at the Ateneo de Iloilo. I was discussing learning theories, pedagogy in ways to help improve Paul, her son's grades, while she quietly smiled and nodded. Only later did I realize that she was already the dean of the College of Education then. So when I later saw her interviewing me for the DOST scholarship, I honestly felt embarrassed. But that was Doc Edith. Brilliant, accomplished, yet remarkably humble. She guided many of us through dissertation writing, research, and all the difficult things done in graduate school years. Because of her mentorship, many of us finished strong, earned awards, presented research outputs in national international conferences, published our research outputs in the different international journals. No? We talk in conferences and became educators, school leaders, and researchers ourselves. Through her encouragement, we also organized the DOST Graduate Scholars no, in 2010. A family, we believe, continues to grow and thrive until this time. Our last gathering with her was 2 years ago during a simple video birthday party prepared by our batchmates and classmates. The year before that, we did the same, a birthday celebration, this time in Tatoy's Manokan, Villa. We laughed, the usual. We shared old stories and felt grateful to be part of what truly felt like her extended family. But beyond the awards and titles, Doc Edith's greatest legacy lives in people, in every student she encouraged, in every scholar she guided, and in every life she quietly helped steady. She taught us brilliance with compassion. Brilliance with compassion. Rest peacefully, Doc Edith. You shaped not only dissertations and careers, but lives. Many of us became better teachers, mentors, administrators, researchers, and human beings because you first believe in us. And because of that, you will never really be gone.